Welcome. In front of me I have TCL Active 500 True Wireless Sound, and today I'll show you how you can unpair them from your Apple Watch. So as you can see here, I got my buds. I can open them. Oh, I just put them here, and they are activated. And if you want to turn them off from your Apple Watch, you have to simply go for the settings. And right now, when you're in the settings, you have to scroll down to the Bluetooth settings. Then click on this information icon and then tap to forget device. Click also here, tap to forget. And as you can see, that's all. When you unpair them from your phone, they will be already in the pairing mode, so you can pair them back or do whatever you want. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.